Hello, everyone. My name is Kevin Tarr. I am an iOS engineer, and today is day 12 of Algorithms in Swift. So, we've been talking a lot about removing duplicates out of collection types. Today, we're going to focus on identifying duplicates in collection types. Without further ado. Okay, beautiful people, let's get started on our problem. Our problem states, given an array of strings, write a function that returns all duplicate strings that appear in the array, or returns nothing if there are no duplicates. If you can solve this without using a for loop, you can consider this problem an out-of-the-box problem. So we have some examples here. Some of your favorite singers that, of course, you probably recognize: Michael Jackson, Prince, Stevie Wonder, Ray Charles, James Brown, Michael Jackson should return the string Michael Jackson because it appears more than once. The array of some of my favorite sitcoms, or some of yours, I'm hoping: Fresh Prince, Saved by the Bell, Two and a Half Men, Friends, Fresh Prince, and Living Color. Martin, Living Single, should return the string Fresh Prince because it appears more than once. Han Solo, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Han Solo, Luke Skywalker, Anakin Skywalker, Princess Leia should return the string Han Solo because it appears more than once. Shout out to all my Star Wars nerds that are watching. So, okay, so I'm going to show you guys. So if you guys remember the problem that we did before in a previous video where we were identifying unique elements in an array or unique elements in a string, this problem has sort of the counterintuitive approach to that, but it's all the same, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to solve this with for loop first, and then we're going to go to the more sophisticated, I think 3, maybe 4-line solution, okay? So here's the brute force approach, okay? So this is called, we're going to call this duplicates, okay? We're going to pass an array of strings. We're going to return an array of strings just in case there's more than one. And then we're going to create 2 arrays, use array, string, that use words, excuse me, not use array, use words and duplicates. Okay, cool. So we got our 2 arrays, and we're just going to go through the original array and ask if use words does not contain the word. If it doesn't, let's call this word just for clarity, okay? If use word does not contain the word, we're going to add it to use word. We're going to add it to the array of use words. And get rid of that white space. And so if it doesn't contain, or if it does contain it already, then we're just going to add that to the duplicates. Okay. Oops. Should have created this as a var rather than constant. Okay. So we're just going to add this to the duplicates. Okay. Duplicates dot append word. Okay. And we're going to return this string duplicates. So this is order n, and this solves a problem. You know, if we're not going by the rules, yeah, it solves it. We can take our singer list right here, and we should get Michael Jackson back. Okay. Right, Michael Jackson is our duplicate, okay? If we take this one here, for sitcoms, I'm going to do one more. Okay. Fresh Prince. And just to show this not working or not returning anything, if it doesn't have a duplicate, let's take away Fresh Prince. And we should get nothing back. Yep, empty array. Okay, so this works, okay? So you understand how this works. If not, look at the previous video and look at the solution, and it should come together for you, okay? Now I'm going to show you guys a four-word solution, all right? In fact, I already wrote out this function, so let me not rewrite it. We're just going to go right here, just in the interest of time. Okay, missing return. We're going to fix that error really quickly. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Dictionaries, if you remember in the pangram problem, they have a beautiful way of giving you only unique keys and identifying keys that appear more than once in the dictionary with a number value that shows how many times they appear. Okay, so if, for Fresh Prince is going to have a value of 2 if it's a key because it appears more than once in the array. Okay, and we're going to write that function right now so you guys can understand it rather than just talking about it. Okay, so we're going to call this array of tuples. We're going to pair each string in our array with tuples, okay? And, yeah, there you go. I'm going to map it, use functional programming. Okay, pair with a 1, the number 1. Then we're going to filter, well, not filter, we're going to unique the keys. I'm get ahead of myself. We're going to unique the keys with dictionary of array of tuples. Okay. Dictionary array of tuples. Uniquing keys with plus. So basically, the value is expecting a comparable element, like a number inside the value, and the dictionary is going to add 1 to every time a key appears, because dictionaries can't have duplicate keys. So for the duplicates, it's going to add 1 to the number of times it appears for its value, like I described earlier. Okay. So understand that we already know by value the keys that appear more than once in our dictionary. So all we have to do is return. In fact, I think we can return right now. Let's see if we can. We might be able to stuff this all in one line, okay? So we can return a string, dictionary, array of tuples. We can filter this bad boy. 0 dot value, element dot value is greater than 1, and give us all the keys. In fact, let's not make this a string. We're returning an array string. So let's turn this to an array. Okay. And I think that might be it. That might be the knockout below. Okay. Yep, it is. So right here, when we run it, we see we have Fresh Prince appearing more than once. Thank you, Will Smith. We're going to go with our Star Wars array and stuff it in here. Let's see if we get Han Solo. It returns Han Solo as a duplicate. Yep. And yeah. Michael Jackson. Yep. So this works. So this is a beautiful three-liner solution. It's efficient. It is a bit costly because you're mapping and filtering in the same problem. But dictionaries are O log n constant. So dictionaries go incredibly fast. So that should save you. And also the fact that it's 3 lines, I think is very readable and it's very clear in what it's doing. The for loop is also, I would argue the for loop is clearer, but this problem seems very compact and concise and efficient and solving it. And you'd have to have a lot of elements in order for the expense report to be noticeable with this problem. This problem works. The solution works, excuse me. So guys, let me know what you guys think. I appreciate you guys for watching. Comment below any proposed solutions, and please share with anybody that's going through a coding interview or is learning how to solve algorithms in Swift or learn how to solve algorithms in computer science, because I believe this will be helpful. Thanks again, guys. Have a good night.